Thursday morning, I'm at the Royal Botanical Gardens in Melbourne. Visit Melbourne's inner city oasis. Over 10,000 plant species from around the world are presented in a kaleidoscope of colour and texture. Sweeping lawns, tranquil lakes and majestic trees are home to an amazing range of wildlife. Takes about 2 to 3 hours. You can sit here with a cup of tea and just relax. Wow, hey, there's a boat. Let's see how much these are. It's $25 a ticket. Personal choice if you want to do it. I've got my latte, which is breakfast. I haven't had anything to eat, so I need something at the moment. Nice and creamy. Cost me $5, by the way. Oh, this is a bloody hike. Hell, this is hard work. I didn't want to do this, but I'm committed now. No choice. I guess I'm not fit. This is hard yakka. Hang on. Sip of the latte always helps. Keeps me going. Gets the blood pumping. Oh shit. That was a bad choice. Or maybe I needed it really. Wow, what a vantage point. This is magnificent. So walking up those steps, actually, they were good. Enjoying this. The latte's keeping me going. Yeah, very nice. People are friendly. Puts you in a good mood, It just adds to your living, your experience of life. There he is. He ducked under and came up over there. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that walk through the Botanical Gardens. Please like, comment and subscribe for future content. Ciao.